December 22nd, 1887, birth of a great mathematician, Srinivas Ramanujan. At the age of 13, he worked out the S. Looney's advanced trigonometry exercises and had his own sophisticated theorems. Not good at his degree and fine arts course, but an exceptionally extraordinary in mathematics, who later spent 5 years in Cambridge and was awarded a PhD in mathematics. He was the first Indian to be elected as the fellow at Trinity College, Cambridge, and the second Indian who was inducted as the fellow at the Royal Society of London. A man who lived just at the brink of starvation, was devoid of papers, who solved mathematics on the slates and cleaned them with his elbow, became a person whom no living mathematician equaled his knowledge of continued fractions. The number 1729 of a taxi, which was quoted dull by his mentor G.H. Hardy, was described by Ramanujan as interesting, as it is the smallest number expressible as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729, the taxicab number. A century after his death, his deathbed theory has been proved correct and could explain the behavior of black holes. He always quoted, "An equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God."